11:50 on October 3rd. It's a Tuesday. It's a beautiful day, 75 degrees. We're going leaf peeping. Look for some more beautiful spots. Probably another week. It'll be peak up in this area. So, glad you're coming along with us on a ride. Stay tuned. We got a little color change up on the hill. Not much, but it's coming. I don't know if we got too many pictures of coming this way on, I think we're on 851. That is nice. On a nice warm day, I'm up to 77 now. For the next few days, supposed to be high 70s. Not bad for October. We'll take it. I'll keep it running. I see some oranges coming up. Not the fruit. Well, we were in a little construction delay. It was like 5 minutes. Just waiting. They're redoing this road. That's why we're on the wrong side of the road. Oh, we got some color. Turned my camera on a little late, but we got some color. We're coming up to the overlook pretty soon. East Brady Overlook. About a quarter of a mile to the overlook. So I'll start the camera rolling. Here we go. No, we're not going to see much. I'll take the camera off. Okay, this is from the overlook. Beautiful house way up on the hill. We got pictures of this before, but it wasn't fall season. Get some pictures. Well, maybe we'll go down by that road down there and follow it. Beautiful. Okay, this is what my phone, and here's that house up on the hill. Here it is, focused in. Took a while. Very pretty. Another shot. Not too many boats on the river. Well, it is a Tuesday. This is in East Brady. It's the overlook. They say people used to, was it parasail off this?
Yeah, or hang wide
hang glide or whatever, and they stopped it. Now we're on the lower road that you're seeing from the previous video, and we're going along the river. There's the foliage. The water's a little low. This loops is all the way around. Okay. I don't know if you can see it up on the hill. Maybe through this clearing there's a tower there. Up on the hill. That's where we were just a few clips ago. That's the overlook. And look at these houses. Pretty colors. Right there, the overlook. You look really close, you can see the railing. Neat trees. I know you're already saying I've seen enough foliage, but we haven't. Stay tuned and keep watching. Well, there it is. Go back. Yep, never mind. The car behind me. Yep. Well, so far we're on Hillville Road, and we've seen two deer within half a mile of each other. Nice little road, little bumpy. I got the camera, maybe we can see another one. Yes, not. This is East Brady. We went down the road to the left here. That's what we just went down. And there's the river. I don't know if you can see it. It's there. And I guess we're heading home.
Stop at the Dollar Tree?
Sure, we're going to stop at the Dollar Tree. We're heading back home. We got a little bit of color. We're on 68. Colors look nice. coming up over here. Nice, nice. They're starting to pop. Check these two trees coming up. Woohoo! Nice. I like that tree. That's cool. We're running parallel with Route 80. We're on, can't read it, too bumpy for me. Hartman Road or something like that. And this should bring us to 66 somewhere when we take our next left. Okay. We found Route 66. And if you look up on the hill, the guy doing the farm work. Okay, all right, the carpet place. And look at the beautiful foliage. And the beautiful red one. Pretty colors. We're just outside of town. About a couple miles.
Yeah, about that.
You get the oranges and yellows. Coming into town. That'll be about it. We'll have one more clip as we're pulling into school zone. Home sweet home. Check out the colors. How's our maple tree doing? Nice sharp foliage ride. Thanks for coming along with us.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines.